Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Mini Hardtop 4-Door. The Mini Hardtop 4-Door comes with agile handling and quick, precise steering that makes the Mini Hardtop 4-Door lots of fun to drive. It is loaded with premium features, world-famous feistiness, and is built for sharing. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic moonroof, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rain sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.